Introduction to GitHub Repositories.
GitHub is a popular platform for storing and sharing code online. Setting up your first repository on GitHub is a great way to track your projects, collaborate with others, and build a personal portfolio. In this guide, you'll learn how to create, initialize, and push your code to your very first GitHub repository, step by step.
Creating a GitHub account.
To get started, visit github.com and sign up for a free account if you don't have one. Set your username, email, and password. Once your account is created and verified, you'll be ready to start creating repositories and sharing your code with the world.
Creating your first repository.
After logging in, click the New button on the Repositories page or your dashboard. Name your repository and add a brief description. You can choose to make it public or private. For beginners, select Initialize this repository with a README to create an initial file. Then, click Create Repository to finish.
Setting up Git Locally.
To work with your repository on your computer, download and install Git from gitscm.com. Open your terminal or command prompt and configure your username and email using the commands git config global username your name, git config global username email your email at example.com.
Cloning and adding your code.
Copy your repository's URL from GitHub. In your terminal, navigate to where you want your project, then run git clone repository URL. Add your project files to this new folder. Use git add ... to stage your changes and git commit -m initial commit to save them.
Pushing code to GitHub.
With your files committed locally, send your changes to GitHub with git push origin main. Now your code is uploaded and visible in your GitHub repository. You can update your project anytime by committing new changes and pushing again. Your first GitHub repository is now set up and ready for collaboration.